Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is well. Today I will show you how to make a very beautiful and cute rabbit with paper. I hope you will watch my full video. So let's get started.
They dream, we dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, we dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dream's to see you. Seeing you will be my wish, cause no one is like you. I wish to see you. Seeing you will be my wish, cause no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. I dream of freedom, I dream of peace of mind, I dream of love, supernatural love, and everything I have makes me long for more. And the more that I have, the more I long for more. So this makes me realize that this world will never satisfy my heart, no matter how much I obtain. So my dream for Jannah grows day by day, and I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His paradise, the home of satisfaction. My biggest dreams to see you. Seeing you will be my wish, but no one is like you. I wish to see you. Seeing you will be my wish, but no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. On this side, we are just passing by, like a river from the mountain, and never can water turn back to the town.
Thank you so much for watching my full video. I hope you will be waiting for my next video and subscribe to my channel. Share and like it and stay with me. Assalamu alaikum.